So today I'll be trying the Daily Serum Trial Kit. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So let me think. I think I just choose one to use today. I'm gonna use tea tree since I feel like, no, actually I'm gonna use rose because I want to brighten my skin, but like I have a few pimples, so I don't know if I should use tea tree, but I think I'm gonna use rose because this is the morning. I'll use this at night or something. And this one, not really sure what this one does, but I'll definitely test that out as well some other time. So I just patted my face dry and now I'm going to try the rose one. You can see I'm like Rudolph right now. Did I do it? Maybe I'll get a little bit more. Oh, I'm good. Okay. I think you just massage it in like this. Just got changed. I guess about the product, I definitely need to use more to like tell the difference, but I really like the packaging. So far so good.